Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to SV Market Vlogs. Today we are gonna discuss April 4th week weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. In this week, Nifty 50 opened at the level of 23,950. Actually, when the market closed at 23,850, what we have expected after this 23,850, we have a barrier at 24,000 level. But we can easily exclude this resistance because there is a small range 24,000 to 24,200. We are expected the market should be consolidated at 23,800 to 24,200. So this is the consolidation range for this week. If market has a strong bullish sentiment, then it is a easy take for Nifty to break this 24,200 level and aim till 24,500. But Nifty didn't reach this 24,500 mark in this week, reached a high of 24,365. 24,365, and here this week's low is 24,850 around. From high and low, the total range is it's nearly 500 points range for this week. And when we look with body wise candle, opening is 23,950, 23,950 opening, and final market closed at 24,040, 24,040. So the complete body lies at 24,000 level, plus or minus 50 points range of 24,000 round of mark. With this, what we can expect, if Nifty 50 is in the negative mode, if 24,000 level acting as resistance, the candle is closing below 24,000 mark, then we can expect this 500 points zone, or else if market tries to recover, we can expect upper side 500 points range. So totally last week also we have seen from high and low it is nearly 670 points, and before that week high and low it is 1200 points. So this 500 points is very common in these days. Each and every week consistently these 4 weeks market forming a range of 500 points at least. So we are expecting this 24,000 mark as a crucial point. So once we will have a quick look of Nifty 50 in day-wise candles. In day-wise candle, only one candle. On the Monday, we have got good candle. So it is a 200 points range consolidation, 24,000 mark, and upper side 24,200. So first 2 days market has been stayed in this smaller range itself. So after next 2 days, this 24,200 which acted as resistance, it converted as support for Wednesday and Thursday. So this Thursday market, which is weekly expiry, has given a minimal range. Finally, after closing 2 consecutive days above 24,200 level, in the final day Friday, market corrected from 24,200 level to lower side, which is near to 24,000 mark. Exactly at 24,040 market has been closed. So the same thing what we have expected in the weekly wise candle, this 24,000 below if candle is closing, then 23,500. This range we can expect, or else the same range what we have observed in this week. So same range it can be respected, this 24,000 to 24,500. These are the 2 scenarios we are expecting with Nifty 50. So that's for Nifty. Now we will analyze Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, after having a all-time best closing above 54,000 mark, so this closing level 54,290, and this week's low is 54,176. So we can take the low 54,176, and week's high is 56,098. We can take a round off figure 56,100. From high and low, the total range it is near to 2,000 points, just 76 points less. A round of mark 2,000 points less than this. And when we check with the body, market opened at 54,890 and finally closed at 54,660. Body wise range it is around 200 points. So from overall range it is just 10 to 12% of range it has been created. It is not a very strong candle. Now what we can expect with Bank Nifty for this monthly expiry, this 54,000 mark can be acted as good support, and we have expiry on Wednesday itself. So what I am expecting, this 54,000 to 55,000, this range can be respected for this monthly expiry. If market has a good positive momentum, then it can easily break 55,000 level and can aim to 56,000. This is resistance 1, and after this resistance 2. This is the scenario what we are expecting with Bank Nifty. Let's see how market behaves in this monthly expiry. Just we will have a quick look of Bank Nifty in day-wise candle once. By observing these candles, with taking the closing of last Friday, extending this line, then we can say this closing acted as support here, and market after touching the fresh high 56,000 round off mark tried to consolidate, and it came near to 56,000 level. So it's very natural way, after reaching the highest peak point, a small profit booking or consolidation should be expected. So that can be seen here. Now what we can do, if market tries to recover from this 54,000 mark, same thing we can expect, 54,000 to 56,000. But we have only 3 trading days, so that's why we are expected the smaller range, 1000 points range for Bank Nifty. Mostly 1000 points range has been covering in single intraday itself. So better to consider this 2000 points range, 56,000 upper mark and lower side 54,000. This 2000 points range can be respected. If market corrects below 54,000 mark, then we will come to the lower side support at 52,800. So this is the scenarios we can expect with Bank Nifty. Let's wait and see how market behaves in this last week of April. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Again we will be meeting on next Saturday for the weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty.